Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making carrot cake loaf, baked in a bread pan. It's very easy to make, a great recipe for using up carrots. They are combined with walnuts for an extra crunch, then mixed with a buttery batter flavoured with mixed spices. No frosting required. You don't really need that extra sugar. Well, he looks familiar. These are the ingredients and the quantities are in the description below. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Grate the carrots in a blender. Add the walnuts and chop them together. You can also use pecans or hazelnuts. Prepare the dry ingredients. Sift the flour with the baking powder and the mixed spices. Add the carrots and the walnuts and mix them together. Now the wet ingredients. With an electrical blender, whip the butter with the sugar until it becomes creamy. Add the 3 eggs, one at a time. Make sure they're combined before you add the next one. Add the dry ingredients and mix. That was easy. Coat with butter and flour a loaf baking pan. Pour in the batter and spread with a spatula. Bake in a hot oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees centigrade, for 1 hour. Once the cake is ready, wait 10 minutes before removing it from the pan. If you remove it while it's still hot, it will break apart. With a knife, make sure the edges are detached from the pan. Turn it over and let it cool down completely. There you have your mess-free carrot bread. Squared slices of carrot bread full of flavour and no frosting are easy to pack for school lunches or picnics. For more healthy desserts with fruits and vegetables, check the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Let me check. I think I have a few carrots in my fridge.